Drawing a number line involving union and intersection. So for question number 1, first of all, I draw my number line. Okay, check what is the smallest number. So the smallest number over here is -2 followed by 1. So now I have -2 followed by 1. So now I have -infinity to 1, -infinity to 1. So here, the dot here is open because my bracket is a round bracket. So it will move to the left-hand side because it is towards -infinity. And the other one, -2. My dot here is also an open dot because the bracket here is a round bracket. -2 is not included, moving towards the right because it is towards infinity. So now I will solve for my interval notation. Okay, union here means that I will take everything. So I consider from the most left. From the most left, I have -infinity. And then follow the line. It will continue to the right all the way until it approaches positive infinity as the second number line here will approach to the right hand side. So this is my answer, from -infinity to positive infinity. As for the solution set, I need a curly bracket. My variable here, I can name my variable here to be x. Then I can follow what is given. So I can write here x is less than 1 or x is greater than -2. Or I can also write this as this is equals to all real values. Okay, now number 2, still the same question, but this time I do intersection. So now my graph will look something like this. Intersection, I will take where they meet. So this is the region where these two lines will meet. So now my interval notation is equals to, from -2 to 1, my brackets are open because my dot here is an open dot, here is also open. My solution set will be equal to curly bracket. I name my variable x. So this variable will be in between -2 and 1. So I have -2, x, and 1. Since my bracket here is open, here is also open, so I can have this to be smaller than, this is also smaller than. Now question number 3, draw your number line. Okay, smallest number 1, 3 followed by 7. So here I have 1, 3, and 7. -infinity to 1, so the numbers will be towards the left, and now 3 to positive 3 to 7. Now we're going to find intersection. So intersection, I'll take the place where they meet. Now these two lines will not meet, so my interval notation is equal to, since they don't meet, this is equal to an empty set. And for my solution set, I can write it as an empty set also. Now the last one for question number 4, still the same question, same example. But this time we are doing union. So union, I will take everything. So my interval notation, check the lines. The most left, it is towards -infinity. So -infinity to 1. bracket is open, open. From 1 to 3, from 1 to 3 here, there is no line. So it is separated, but at the right hand side, there is a line. So this means that I have another set of answer. So if I have more than one answer, I'll use union to combine these two answers. Now at the right hand side here, my line will start with 3 and then stops at 7. Open dot, so my bracket is open. This is also open. For solution set, curly bracket, define my variable. I let my variable be x. So here, this means that I want numbers smaller than 1, so x less than 1. Union is OR. And here, my numbers are between 3 to 7, so I have 3, x, 7. Open brackets at both ends, so I have less than, less than. Then I close my curly bracket.